If you have ever lost your cursor in a sea of text, you are not alone. Adjusting the thickness is a quick fix that makes a huge difference for the visibility. So here is how to adjust the text cursor thickness in Windows 10. For this you need to click on this search icon and type settings. Click on the settings and click on the ease of access and navigate to the text cursor. You will see a slider under change text cursor thickness. So move the slider to the right to make the cursor thicker. Here you can see that. So as you move the cursor in the preview box labeled preview will show you the exactly how chunky that cursor is going to look it in real time. And here you can see that an example of it. So this way you can easily change the text cursor appearance in Windows 10. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.